Diamond. Addition to the collection. Platinum. 17.25 grams. Morning guys. It's 2:40 in the morning. We're on the beach. It's low tide, but the full low tide is around 4:30. So we'll try the dry sand first. Then we'll go to the low tide area. It's fine gold tonight or this morning. I did not get any target because I turned my volume down instead of turning it up, so I did not get any signal. So just get my first signal here. A coin, your 2001 peso coin. One of first ring, guys. Yeah. You know, this is silver. Wow, full of diamonds. Nice one. Guys, I found something good here. Wow, this is very heavy, guys. I think this is around 20 grams. I hope this is platinum, guys. Very heavy. Whew. Check that, guys. Guys, I found something here. Oh man. Ha. Guys, look at this. I think this is gold with diamonds, guys. Another surface find. Oh man. I love this stone, guys. Look at that, guys. Oh, this marking again, guys. Also the marking. Check everything when we get home. Signal here. Multiple signal in one hole. Another coin. Guys, I don't know what it is. Oh, oh. Wow, it's very tiny. I don't think this is the one I detected. Oh, still there. It's a coin. Guys, it's 4:08. The water is already far, but I cannot leave this area. I'll just focus on this area first. I'm so tired. It's a fast hunting. It's a lot of coins and also a lot of trash. Guys, another ring. I think this is a clear silver. It's a infinity ring. I found this also last hand. It looks good. Could be a low carat gold also. We'll just check later. You guys, I think this is a coin. Oh, oh. It's a ring, guys. Amazing. Oh. I think this is a silver ring. Very old silver ring. Yeah, you can see inside. Nice. Another ring, guys. Maybe silver. Guys, I found a little it's a small earring. Oh, the pearl is real. Very low tone. Oh man, this is something on a scoop. Look at it, guys. Another white ring. Guys, another pearl. Yeah. The pearl is real. Guys, I'm going home now, but still a lot of target. So maybe better to turn off the machine so can go home. Hey guys, now for the wrap up. I found a total of 168 coins, and the spendable is 568 pesos. Then I have some old coins, encrusted coins, and international coins. Now for the jewelries, this is the first ring that I found. I think this is the first ring. This is silver. This one looks very nice, but this is stainless steel. Other one also stainless steel. This one I think this is brass. This is silver. Another brass. An earring. This is a small earring, but the pearl is real. I tested it by using my tooth. This one also is real. I have this very encrusted ring, but I think this is silver. I will restore this one and then I will show you. Also this one, can you see that? It's very thick. And this is the last earring that I found. I think this is silver also, or maybe brass. I have not yet able to check this. And this one, I was thinking this to be a white gold, but it is marked S925, so this is silver. And this one is very heavy. When I found this, I thought it is platinum. You see that 17.25 grams, but sadly this is a tungsten carbide. I was hoping this to be a platinum ring. And this one, this is a white gold ring, and this is marked 8K. So 8 karat of, or 4 grams of 8 karat. And the find of the day, this one. This is actually surface find. I detected it, but I've seen it lying under the sand. But the problem in that area, there's a lot of iron, so the signal nulls out if you detect the iron. but when I tested it with a clean area, it's very nice stone. It's only 1.9 grams with 4 diamonds. Diamond. Diamond. Addition to the collection. So these are my collections last year, plus 3 this year. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next time.